So, in the seventh question it is given W, X, Y, Z is a quadrilateral. The diagonals intersect at the point O, and say I have highlighted, it is given OX equals OZ equals OW, and the measure of this angle is given as 50 degree. You need to find the measure of this angle. This is very simple. If you could see, this is an isosceles triangle. What is the isosceles triangle property states? The angle opposite to the equal sides are equal, which means if this is 50 degree, obviously this angle will also be 50 degree. And if these two are 50, by angle sum property, this will be 80 degree. Okay, now make use of the linear pair. If this is 80 degree, what is this? This is 100. Otherwise, you can also say if these two makes 100, by exterior angle property, this is 100. Okay, again this is an isosceles triangle. These two sides are equal. So definitely this angle and this angle must be equal. If this is 100, these two must be 80 divided by 2, which is 40. Now I will show you the solution. So this is given. You need to find this angle. First we are considering this angle. In this, these two are equal, so it is isosceles triangle, which means OXW is also 50 degree. And now WOZ will be, using exterior angle property, it is 100 degree. Now this is also an isosceles triangle, so 100 plus this angle is 180, but these two will be equal, so these two add up to 80 degree, which means each angle, this angle and this angle, add up to 40 degree. So this is how your solution goes. The seventh question states that this is the figure given. In this, AB is dividing the angle DAC. If AB divides, then it means that it is the angle bisector, which means this angle and this angle, which I have marked in pink color, those two are equal. This angle is given as 108 degree. You need to find X, and what one other condition given is, see the highlighted with fluorescent color, AB equals DB. How are we going to prove? Now this is 108. These two are equal angle. If you keep this as Y, this is also Y. 2Y plus 108 is 180 degree, because angle on a straight line. So Y will be 36 degree. This is 36 and this is 36 degree. Now when you consider this blue triangle ABD, it is isosceles because these two are equal. So when this angle is 36, this angle D is also 36. Now we can make use of the exterior angle property. 36 plus X is 108, which means X is 72 degree. Now I will post the solution. This is the solution. Coming to the ninth question, it is given this line PB is the bisector of angle ABC. If this is bisector, say I have marked in blue color, these two angles must be equal. Also it is given that a line is drawn through this P such that this line is parallel to AB. Now we need to prove BQP is isosceles triangle. How are we going to prove? These two are equal. And now can you see this Z is there. Since these two lines are parallel, this angle P and these two are alternate angles. So if this is X, so if this is X, this is also X. Obviously, this angle P is also X because see Z is formed because these two are parallel line cut by a transversal. Okay, this angle and this angle are equal. If two angles are equal in a triangle, then it is isosceles. By applying the property, you can also tell that the side opposite to the equal angles are also equal. BQ is equal to QP. So BPQ is an isosceles triangle. This is the solution. Coming to the 10th question, this is the picture. In this picture, it is given that, see, I have highlighted with different colors to show you that CB, CH and HK, they are equal. And also it is given AB equals AC. When AB equals AC, what is this big triangle? To which category it belongs to? It belongs to isosceles triangle, which means the two sides are equal. So the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal. Angle B will be equal to angle C. And also you can see this is 137. This is the exterior. If this is the exterior angle, the interior opposite angle are B and C. So B plus C will add up to 137, but B is equal to C. So angle B equals angle C equals 137 by 2, which is nothing but 68.5 degree. Now consider this CBH, this triangle. In this triangle, these two sides are equal, so it is isosceles, which means this CBH and CHB, I have highlighted in pink color. Those two angles are also equal, which means if this is 68.5, this part is 68.5. Also in the sum it is given this HK is parallel to this BC and this AB will act as the transversal. So this entire angle which is marked with blue color, that is BHK and this CBH, these two angles are called interior angle, and the sum of the interior angle for the parallel line cut by the transversal is 180 degree. But this BHK can be divided as BHC and CHK. So this is 68.5 plus this is 68.5 plus the CHK add up to 180 degree. So 137 plus this angle is 180, which means CHK is 180 minus 137, which is 143 degree. Kindly note down the solution.